Little storyteller.
Blue was a happy dog, with soft brown fur and floppy ears. He loved playing in his sunny backyard. One day, Blue found a special acorn. It had swirly brown lines on its smooth, tan top. Blue thought it was very pretty. He found another acorn with tiny speckles, and one with a long wiggly line. He started collecting all the acorns that looked different. Soon Blue had a pile of amazing acorns. He started to arrange them on the green grass. He made circles of acorns and long wavy lines. It looked like a special art show. Blue wagged his tail. He wanted to share his acorn art. The squirrels with bushy tails and twitchy noses lived in the big oak tree nearby. Blue barked softly to get their attention. He showed them his acorn art gallery. The squirrels peeked down from the branches. One brave squirrel with bright eyes scampered down the tree. He looked closely at the acorns. He chittered happily. Soon all the squirrels came down to see Blue's art. They loved the different patterns on the acorns. Blue was so happy that the squirrels liked his art. He wagged his tail so hard his whole body wiggled. The squirrels started adding their own special acorns to the art gallery. They had shiny black acorns and acorns with little cracks. Together, Blue and the squirrels made an even more wonderful acorn art gallery. They learned that working together can make something beautiful and fun for everyone, and they all enjoyed the special opening night under the sunny sky.
Please subscribe. Thank you.